Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to merge and unmerge cells in Google Sheets. Alright, so here I have my Google Sheets workbook open, and I'd like to merge my cells in row 1 and columns A, B, C, D, E, F, and G together, so that way this October meeting is like a title. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to highlight the rows and cells that I'd like to merge together. So I'm going to highlight by clicking down and dragging my mouse over. Once I have highlighted it, it'll be in that light blue color. Then you want to click on your Format button in your toolbar and go down to where it says Merge Cells. Now you can just click Merge Cells, Merge All, and then you'll notice those cells are merged, and for me, I also like to center align that merge, so then I can go to my toolbar where my font, size, bold, italics, colors are, and go over to my horizontal align and click on the center align. There you have it. I could also change the color. If I'd like to unmerge my cells, I'm going to click on my Format button in my toolbar again and click on Merge Cells, and then I can click on Unmerge. It will then go back there. You'll notice the October meeting's a little cut off, so I may want to uncenter align that. I hope this helped you learn how to merge and unmerge cells together within Google Sheets. If this video was helpful, please like this video, share it out with someone else who may benefit from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I will catch you in the next video.